Good to be back home. The first day with the draw, it was quite tough, I won't lie. But doing with the boys, seeing them going through what I was going through, it was easy to pull through. I played most of my rugby away from home. Now playing at home, pretty keen to see what it's like, especially to have my family come and watch me every week and to have them join me. That's a really big thing for me. More wins for the Drua, but mostly just so my little nephews at home can watch me play.
Ave marau yo vou ke altalanga kelam dona vou bimbi sa sune bugo singkarara nunggu kita mau tore tak telung gitu baru nak tahu nunggu gitu orang